Hey there, creative souls. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the wondrous world of art and inspire each other to never give up on our artistic journey. Today, we are diving into a topic that's close to our hearts: how not to give up on your art journey. So, grab your sketchbooks, cameras, or whatever medium you prefer, and let's get started. Remembering your why. The first step is not giving up on your art journey is to always remember your why. Take a moment to reflect on what drew your art in the first place. Was it the joy of creation, the need for self expression, or the desire to share your unique perspective? Keep that initial spark alive and let it fuel your passion even during challenging times. Embracing the struggle. Artistic journeys are filled with challenges, setbacks, and moments of self doubt. But here's the thing: growth happens outside your comfort zone. Embrace the struggles as opportunities to learn, evolve, and push your boundaries. Each obstacle you overcome will make you stronger, more resilient, building a supportive community. You don't have to walk in the artistic path alone. Surround yourself with supportive community of fellow artists who understand your journey. Engage with the local art groups, participate in online forums, and seek out mentors or accountability partners. Having like-minded individuals cheering you on can make a world of difference when you face challenges. Setting realistic goals. Setting goal is a crucial for staying motivated and focused. Break down your big artistic dreams into smaller achievable milestones. Celebrate each milestone with a victory and use it as a springboard to propel yourself forward. Remember, progress is a journey, not a destination. Nurturing your creativity. Creativity needs nourishment to thrive. Explore new artistic techniques, experiment with different mediums, and seek inspiration from various sources like nature, books, movies, or even everyday life. Feed your curiosity and let it spark your imagination. Embrace the joy of exploration and never stop learning. Turning failure into growth. Failure is not the end, it is the opportunity to grow. Don't let fear of failure hold you back. Embrace mistakes as stepping stones towards improvement. Analyze what went wrong, learn from it, and adjust your approach. Remember, some of the greatest artistic breakthroughs come from embracing failure. Self care for artists. Taking care of yourself is vital to sustain your artistic journey. Prioritize self care and find balance in your life. Take breaks when needed. Practice mindfulness. Nurture your mental and physical well being. Remember, your art is a reflection of your inner world. So, taking care of yourself directly influences your creative output. Dear artist, your artistic journey is an adventure filled with ups and downs. Embrace the challenges, seek support, and stay true to your passion. Remember that every stroke, every note, and every word you create has the power to touch hearts and inspire change. So keep pushing forward, even when it gets tough. Your art matters. The world needs your unique voice. Together, let's build community of unstoppable artists who never give up. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and never stop believing in yourself. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Remember, together we can overcome any challenges and create a vibrant artistic community. Stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.